Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cane's coleslaw. First, gather your ingredients, including a 14-ounce bag of coleslaw mix, 2 leaves of red cabbage, and common pantry staples for the dressing. Next, prepare your vegetables by thinly slicing the red cabbage to match the pre-shredded mix. This ensures a consistent texture throughout your coleslaw. Finally, combine all the dressing components in a bowl before mixing with the cabbage. To start, you'll need a 14-ounce bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix, which typically contains green cabbage and carrots. Also, grab 2 leaves of red cabbage for that signature color and extra crunch. For the creamy dressing, measure out 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Begin by thinly slicing your 2 red cabbage leaves, aiming for pieces similar in size to your bagged coleslaw mix. In a large bowl, gently combine the shredded red cabbage with the 14-ounce coleslaw mix. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice until smooth. Pour this creamy dressing over your cabbage mixture and stir thoroughly to ensure every piece is coated. Once everything is well mixed, cover your bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows the flavors to fully meld together and the dressing to thicken, creating that perfect creamy texture. Before serving, give it one final stir. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Raising Cane's style coleslaw as a refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.